We got some minus temperature coming.
So this is our temporary chicken run. This is where we hatch our babies with the mama. We have any broody chicks. So this is Sharon and her two babies. So they live in here.
And then we acclimate them to the flock. Okay, this is a very summery coop.
So I needed to make a little heat box. So I just put together some scrap wood into a box like this, and then added a little heat lamp. I put this wire mesh in front of it, keep the chickies away from the direct heat, and it should heat this box up really nice. I just used 3/4 inch plywood scraps and a little bit of exterior glue, Type Bond 3, and some 1¼ inch brad nails. And I just checked square on the box. Just cutting some scrap pieces for the back, gluing it on, measuring my light to see how big the hole needs to be, using a 2-inch, and it was a little floppy. So what I'm gonna do is punch a hole through this electrical box, and then this will give me enough of a buffer with the heat. So the cord will go through there, screw that on, and it'll be like a heat shield. And then I'll just pull the light tight.
Yeah, so close.
So as I got this on, I realized the plug's not gonna fit. So I'm like, I don't wanna rewire the plug. I think I'll just get my angle grinder, cut a little piece out. So that's what I did.
And that did it. And then the idea, nabbit. Oh, you know what? I can deal with this. I can deal, yo. It's gonna be tension, so pull that tight. Staple right here. Pressurize it there. That'll hold.
And all I have to do now is just frame it out. So the light was a little bit proud, stuck out over my box. So this 1 1/8 deck board strip was going to work great. I just glued and bradded it in, and then took some 1.5 inch trim screws, because this framework is going to be what I attach to the chicken coop. So I want this to be nice and tight, good and snug. And then I'm going to see if I got a piece of hardware cloth, and I had one just about the right size. So I'm going to switch to my staple gun. I'm going to do some 1-inch staples, flatten it out as I go, get it nice and tight, and this will be a bit of a shield for the chicks. So I already unscrewed this door, but we're just going to remove the existing door. I'll put this back on in the summer. This will be our summer door. And this is our winter door. And it just goes right over top of where the door was. Just got to lift it up so we can still pull the drawer out to clean it. We'll just put this in. Bada boom. There. Sharon's got a nice little hot box in there. Oh, that's nice and cozy. Yeah, that's just wire mesh over the door and the side. So I just screwed some scrap foam over it. Looks great.
It looks awesome. Okay, let's say good morning.
Morning, guys. Pretty. Hey, Spike. It's pretty warm in there. You sure you want to come out? Oh, you're looking for food, huh?